Three critters, come and time to play. Three critters, fun every day. Three critters, come and time to play. Three critters, fun every day. Three critters, smart fun. Emerald, what are you doing?
Oh, I'm making a toast.
Oh well, what are you gonna do after it?
Play any games or something.
What if you should play a round of hide and seek?
Hide and seek? That's a good idea. Let's call our friends.
Okay, I'll call my friends, and we have a new friend. Do you think they can participate?
Yes, we need to include everyone.
Good job, Emerald. Let's call the other. A round of hide and seek? Well, I am the hide and seek master. I'm a chameleon. You're right, Pixel. I think you're gonna win. But let's give a chance to our other friends. I'm gonna win anyway. What about you, Sharky?
Ha! I really love playing hide and seek. But I will only play if Bacon plays.
What about you, Bacon? I'll definitely play. That's great. Go downstairs. I'll call the others. Squirmy? Yeah. What do you think of a round of hide and seek? That would be great. I would have so much fun. What about you, Aqua? Me too. Hide and seek is fun. Well, for me. Okay, go downstairs and meet you soon. Hello, Ghost Kitty.
Oh, hi.
Would you like to play a round of hide and seek with our friends?
Oh, that sounds much fun. Let's go.
Okay. Hey, Mel. Hey, what about a round of hide and seek? Meet us soon downstairs.
Oh, I would love to play hide and seek. It sounds so much fun.
Okay, then, meet me in the garden. Okay, everyone, let's start our game of hide and seek. Me and my friends will count and you hide. That's fine?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, let's go hide. I'm sure I'm gonna win this as win. Yeah, I think we will win. Well, hopefully. I have a plan. I'm curious to see what's your plan, Aqua. Let's continue. Everyone promise to close your eyes, right, friends? So, go hide. In 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here we come. Let's see if we'll find anyone. Do you see anyone here? No, right? Let's go up. Oh, do you see anyone? That's right, it's Bacon. Oh well, thank you for finding me. That was fun, but I was too lazy to find a good high spot. You understand? That's fine. Let's continue. Do you see anyone? That's right, it's Ghost Kitty.
Oh, you found me. This game is very fun.
You're adorable as ever.
Thanks. But I'm going to slow down. That was a good game.
Now, what if we take a look inside? What's that noise? It's coming from up. Maybe Lavender! It's Lavender, the snake.
Oh, you found me. This was very nice.
Come in my hand.
Okay.
Then, rest here while we wait for the others. What if we checked out now inside the house? Do you see anyone? No. Let's see if there's anyone in here. Look to one side, look to the other. Well, I also saw something. It's blue, right? Let's go in. It's right! That's Sharky.
Yeah, this time. But next time, I'm gonna try to win again. Even if I know that Pixel will win. I know it. Win.
Oh well, there you go. This snobby. Still very kind. Let's walk. Who's that? Is it Scrummy? Scrummy, we found you. I know. That's too bad. I was eating a snack on the way, but then I fell asleep of so much snacks I ate. That's fine. Let's go. Mel, you may come out. I knew you would find me. I was putting some skincare. That's why I have my beautiful skin. So shiny, so 3D printed. That's right, Fila. You look amazing. And Emerald? Yeah, she's nice. We were chatting. Bye. Let's go. Emerald, I see you too. Okay. Bye. Now the last two finalists. No one here? That's right. It's Pixel. That's no fair. I'm gonna leave.
Someone beat you, Pixel.
Yeah, that's so unfair. I mean, they cheated, I think.
No worry. It's just a game.
But I'm the winner. Always. That's unfair. There's no one here. That's weird. Do you see anyone? It's Aqua. Oh, hello there. I think I messed up. I think I is it cheating? Of course not. You're just finding a new hide spot that looks the same color as you. Well, you won. Guys, I won. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Aqua. Oh, well done.
Oh my, someone finally beat Pixel. Let's throw a party. We have a special surprise for you. But I was supposed to get it. I want to win. Don't worry, you never win. It's fine to not win. Well, everyone's a winner because I'm going to share the prize with all of you. Even you, Pixel. Giant candy? Yum, 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 yum.
This is the best prize ever.
I agree. I shouldn't have been rude. I love candy too. And today was the end of our day. Well, make sure you have sweet days. See you on the next episode.